Today we are discussing the scenario-based interview questions for network administrator engineers. These are scenario-based complex interview questions. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Now moving towards the scenario based on the topic Spanning Tree Protocol (STP) implementation. The scenario is you are tasked with implementing Spanning Tree Protocol (STP) in a network with multiple interconnected switches. The network has experienced occasional loops leading to network disruptions. Design and configure STP to prevent loops and ensure a stable and redundant topology. Now, being a CCNA network administrator, what solution you will choose? So our first solution is review current network topology. Analyze the existing network topology to identify interconnected switches and potential loop scenarios. Identify the root bridge, designated ports, and blocked ports in the current topology. Our second solution is choose STP version. Choose the appropriate version of STP based on network requirements. Common choices include IEEE 802.1d STP, IEEE 802.1w Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol (RSTP), or IEEE 802.1s Multiple Spanning Tree Protocol (MSTP). Our third solution is root bridge election. Designate a specific switch as the root bridge to ensure a consistent topology. Manually configure the desired switch with a lower bridge priority to become the root bridge. Our fourth solution is configure bridge priority and port priority. Adjust the bridge priority on non-root switches to influence the root bridge election. Set specific ports as designated ports and adjust their priorities if needed. Fifth solution: enable port fast on access ports. Enable port fast on access ports to transition them rapidly to the forwarding state. Use the spanning tree port fast command on access ports to prevent unnecessary delays during device connections. Our sixth solution is configure BPDU guard. Implement BPDU guard on access ports to protect against unauthorized devices introducing BPDUs. Use the spanning tree BPDU guard enable command to enable BPDU guard. Our seventh solution is implement rapid spanning tree RSTP features. If using RSTP, enable features like edge port and port roles. Configure spanning tree port fast edge for access ports and spanning tree port priority to adjust port priorities. Our eighth solution is Ether channel configuration. If using Ether channel, configure it to provide additional bandwidth and prevent loops. Ensure that Ether channel ports are configured consistently on both ends. Ninth solution: monitoring and troubleshooting. Regularly monitor the STP status using commands like show spanning tree. investigate and troubleshoot any anomalies or unexpected changes in the STP topology. Our final and 10th solution is documentation and training. Document the STP configuration including root bridge settings, port priorities, and any Ether channel configurations. Provide training to IT staff on STP concepts, configuration, and troubleshooting procedures. This scenario focuses on implementing Spanning Tree Protocol (STP) to prevent loops in a network, ensuring a stable and redundant topology. If you are preparing for any CCNA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. Also, you can download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. For more videos, stay tuned with us.